Hello and welcome everyone. It's AMarkets Global YouTube channel. My name is Yuri and I'm an international business developer in AMarkets. Our affiliate network is growing day by day. New countries, new cities, and new partners, of course. And one of the most promising directions in the world is the largest economy in Africa. It's almost 200 million population, Nigeria. And our authorized partner in Nigeria, Mr. Abayomi Oguntola, is today here together with us. Mr. Oguntola, hello, how are you?
Good morning, Mr. Yuri. I'm fine. How are you?
Thank you, I'm fine too. Today, I would like to have an interview to show you to our audience all around the world and to help them to decide to start an affiliate business, to start their own IB program, to become mentors in Forex, because I guess you are the best example on how to start this business in quite a competitive market, but to do your best and to take your place on the market and grow and develop. So the first question is quite simple. How did you start trading Forex and who inspired you trading?
Yeah, I started trading forex not I started trading forex for more than 9 years now. So, and what really inspired me to get started trading forex is the ambition I have for financial freedom. Like, I love a situation whereby I can take my laptop anywhere or my device anywhere, and I can take advantage of over $5.3 trillion financial markets. Like, taking advantage of the exchange rates globally. And perhaps I'm a very strong advocate of legit making money online associates. Like, I love it so much. I love a situation whereby I can take my laptop, my device anywhere in the world, and I can be enjoying myself and be making money alongside with it with a reliable broker.
This is great. It's really interesting. What's the most interesting place in the world you've taken your laptop? Or maybe it was a beach, or maybe it was like, the airplane. What was the most interesting place you had?
Yeah. Most times, if I travel outside of the country or interstate, I love the situation where I will place the trade at the airport and on the process on the flight, the money will be making money for me. Like mostly, I just always look at my gadgets. After I alight from the airport, I will just look at my trade. I can be in maybe like $100, $500, $1,000 profit, and I will just smile that wow, the trip have been covered. And I love that process. And I love that feeling as a trader. So that really makes me happy. Yeah.
That's really good. Well, how do you decide to become a Forex mentor and to start your own business? How does it come from trading to training?
Yeah, what's really happened due to the situation of things in the part of the world that I stay, in Nigeria. You know, a lot of people believe that once you are earning online, you are a fraudster. Like you are doing illegal business online. But a lot of Nigerian youth has been tagged with that expression, like online fraudster and stuff like that. So what really inspired me to start training people is the ambition, is the zeal I have for financial education, taking it down to Nigerian youth. Like you can make legit money online without being embarrassed by the official people. Like Forex is well known all over the world. It's a legal business. It's legit. And there's not any government policy that affects Forex traders. So that's one of the and the ambition that I have trading Forex. You know, a lot of people believe that you can make money online. And that really makes me sad. Most times when I see a lot of people doing illegal business online, I will call them that you come, you can make legit business by trading Forex. And I will put it through. And thank God so far, I've put a lot of people through in Nigeria here, and most of them have become a full-time trader.
Great, it's interesting. And tell us the secret. Like today, a lot of young people, a lot of young traders, they want to become businessmen and start their own business. What is the secret of becoming a successful young businessman in Nigeria, Forex, as you are?
I just need to be sincere to become a successful business owner in Nigeria, especially to become a successful forex trader in Nigeria. It requires patience and discipline. Patience, discipline, and focus. Like as I told you earlier on, I've been trading for years. And I just need to be sincere with you. You need to be focused on what you are looking for in the market. Like discipline yourself alongside with it. And my definition for focus is always follow one course unto success. Like if you have a pattern that you are looking for in the market, always stick to the pattern. If you don't see the pattern, you can just take your your car key and go to the beach and enjoy yourself. Like seriously, just enjoy yourself. Forex is not do or die. If the pattern doesn't appear, just remain calm. Wait patiently when the pattern appear and trade your pattern to success. So as a successful forex trader, for you to become a successful forex trader, you must know how to delay gratification, like have patience. Immediately you wake up in the day and you have that feeling that you want to make money, go back to bed. Don't wait for that day because the anxiety has been set in. And once you are so over anxious to take a trade, you will eventually lose the trade. Even if the trade it will go on your direction. So you just need to be patient as a forex trader, and that is what forex have already told me to be. I'm gonna those days. I'm not patient with things. Like seriously, I'm not patient with things. But forex discipline me to be patient. Like seriously, to be patient. So that have already affected all aspects of my life. No matter what is going through in my life, I make sure that I have patience. Like the discipline, I discipline myself and I'm focused. I have patience alongside with it, which is very important as a trader and to become a successful trader.
Yes, it's really hard to find the balance between the patience and discipline and the passion of the market and the trading and the
Yeah.
emotions which trading gives us. So yeah, it's really interesting. Well, talking about Nigeria, what are the main trends for traders, trends of the financial markets nowadays in Nigeria? Well, what can you say about the development of Nigerian markets itself?
Yeah, the development of Nigerian market with West is really growing bigger every blessed day. A lot of trading institutes are coming up. A lot of brokers are partnering with Nigerians because I observe that Nigeria is about to establish in the forest industry here. Forest industry is about to be established in Nigeria because I can still recall vividly 2008 when I was clamoring to start trading then. Well, a lot of people that trained us forest then, they were not active trader. Like I call them pusher in the financial industry. There is a difference between a pusher and a teacher. A pusher tells you what he has not done or what he just read through from a journal. While a teacher will teach you what he has done or what he's already doing. So there's a huge difference between them. What I've come to realize in financial industry, forex industry in Nigeria is this. We are having many teachers in the industry here in Nigeria. And that really makes me to be so happy to see them. I wish I'm one of them. So, there's nothing like you trading with a mentor that is doing what you are doing or what you are about doing. So there's nothing like that. The journey will be more easier and more comfortable alongside with it with you. And I'm so happy to see that forex industry is really growing in Nigeria. And AMarkets setting in with this, we really leverage it more because they have their own leverage over other brokers.
Yeah, thank you. And talking about the brokers, yeah, what do you value the most in the broker you choose for yourself and recommend for your trainees? What is the most important about the broker you go?
Yeah, what I've come to value about AMarket to be precise is this. Like I've been trading for like 10 years now. I've used even broker before using AMarket. I just need to be candid here. AMarkets has been one of the best broker I've so partnered with. And I can still recommend AMarkets over and over again. I have my reasons. One of the reasons is this. They have many assets to trade with. Like seriously. I do tell my students something. Know how, have your pattern. Have your pattern you are looking for in the market. If the pattern does not occur in Euro US dollar, for an instance, you can easily go to Australia US dollar. If it doesn't occur there, you can easily go to the stock market. So the AMarket is just like a big broker that gives you the access to exploit your skills in the financial markets. And their execution, I will only advise people that want to join AMarket to register with ECN. Like ECN accounts with AMarket is very dope. I need to be sincere with you. Their spread is very tiny. Yes, I use their ECN accounts, and I can testify to the facts. Like if you execute any trade, it's very fast, and the execution is also fast. So I just always believe that people that want to join trading, if they, you can't really join forex trading with $50 account or like $10 account, at least $100 account. If any broker accepts like $10, $50, I'm sorry to say, maybe they don't know what they are doing or they don't really know what they are offering. If you see a reliable broker like AMarkets, they need to start with something substantial, like for you to extend your stay in the market, to give you more leverage in the market, which is very important, in the financial world. So I will always recommend AMarket for my training, and I will continue recommending it for anyone that want to get started in Nigeria. Recently now, we have the local deposit with us here in Nigeria, which gives us a very big avenue for fast execution, fast deposit, and fast withdrawal of our profits. So that's making it so very flexible for Nigeria markets.
Thank you, Mr. Abayomi, for recommending AMarkets. From our side, we would like to recommend you as a mentor. And here below the video, you will find the links to the seminars of Mr. Abayomi, and we are having a series of seminars this month, next month. The further, the more. Mr. Abayomi runs both online and offline events, so please register to seminars held by Mr. Abayomi in AMarkets in Lagos, and soon will be all around Nigeria. Well, when I first met you, you told me that your goal is to conquer the market, and you really got me with this one, that you want to lead the market.
Yeah.
I just wanted to ask, what are your plans for like the near future? What are your plans for this year? Maybe you have some interesting thoughts to share with the audience. Maybe you have some interesting projects.
Like what I've said so far, like the experience counts a lot in any industry you find yourself. This is my 10 years in the industry, while trading as a Nigerian forex trader. I've seen a lot of loopholes in Nigeria brokers. Yes, I spot them, I see them, and I look and see that, oh, fine, if something better can really come up like this, and I need to use this avenue to really appreciate your trust with me so far. Like, there are a lot of loopholes in the brokers that are dominating Nigeria presently now. But with AMarket stepping in, it's just like Toyota that wants to compete with Rolls-Royce. With Rolls-Royce, you see that it can really compete with it because the margin will be so extremely much. In terms of their IB, they give a lot of rebates. That as in the rebates that they give for their IB is very huge. In form of personal trader, like individual trader into the markets, their execution is very fast. They don't their customer representative is very, very active. So having plans, we have a lot of plans together to dominate Nigeria markets. And like what I do tell people, I don't see competitors. Competition, I don't see. All what I see around me is domination. Like if people are telling me that this broker just come to Nigeria and they are very good, I say, oh, no, I know my stuff. No. I know my stuff. I know where they will lag behind. And just hold on. This, we are going to rectify it. So with AMarkets stepping into Nigerian markets, I just need to bet it with you guys. We are going to dominate Nigerian markets. Like Nigerians need to see what AMarket have in hand or have in store for them, for Nigeria traders. If Nigeria can really give a trial to AMarkets broker, it's just like you staying in Lagos State, in Banana Island, Lagos Island, and you now move to a place like Ajegunle. The difference will be so huge. Ajegunle, you may not know Ajegunle. For Nigerians, they will know Ajegunle very well. It's a ghetto. You live in a ghetto and you come down to the to the urban place, you will see that the difference is very huge, that you're not living a life in the ghetto when you move to the island there. The same thing also applies to AMarket, to other brokers. Like you may be using other broker, but just give AMarket a trial. You will see that you have been living in Ajegunle, like the ghetto, and AMarket is bringing you back to island there. So the difference will be so very huge. I just need to be sincere with you because I personally doesn't realize that before I joined AMarket. Yeah, this is part of my experience. And I did tell my students something. As a trader, if you want to become a full-time trader or a profitable trader, you need to know your enemy. We have two greatest enemy as a trader. The first enemy is the broker. Why the second enemy is fear. Yeah, the truth to be told. And if you have a big boy broker like AMarkets, that they are not after your money, like they are purely made for getting you into the world market and getting you out of it. The sky is a starting point. I've traded with some broker here in Nigeria that they will enter markets automatically for me without my consent. Like seriously. And they will also execute the market without my consent, without my knowledge. I just need to be sincere with you. So as a trader, these are the things you need to really look into in a broker before you register with them and before you start trading with them and before you can trust your hard-earned money with them. It's not easy to make $100 in Nigeria yet. So making $100 or $1,000 and you want to leverage on that through financial market, forex market, and a broker is not supporting your dream alongside with it, it's ridiculous. It sounds so absurd. So if I was asked to recommend a broker, apart from the fact that I partner with AMarket, I just need to be so sincere with you. AMarket is one of the best brokers I've ever experienced in the financial market. Yeah, and this is my 10 years trading the markets. And I can still recommend AMarket over and over again.
Thank you, Mr. Abayomi. Please invite the audience to your upcoming seminars. Can you please tell in a few words what they will learn from your seminars, from your academy? Because it's really important, as you said, it's really important to have a teacher. And I can recommend to all Nigerian audience, Mr. Abayomi Oguntola. Could you please tell what they're gonna get from these seminars?
Like what I do say, my students, I don't sell them the course. I sell them the community of forex traders. You know, learn from the teacher, not the preacher. I still repeat that expression. Never try to learn anything you want to learn from a preacher. A preacher always dish out what is from a book or from a journal or from a YouTube channel and come and dish it out for you. But a teacher will teach you what he has gone through. Like what I do tell my students, we sell community. No matter the kind of academy you want to enroll in the world, in financial market, there's always free version of it. I need to be sincere, there's always free version of it. But the experience is what we are selling out for our students. The experience, what I've gone through over 10 years, is what we are selling for our students. Your emotion, your psychological aspect to the market is very important. It's very easy for me it's very easy for both of us to take the same trade. Like we can take pounds US dollar, sell pounds US dollar. There must be a retracement in the market. When the retracement occur, the experience we come in. You that you are a newbie, you don't know how to discipline yourself mentally, psychologically, you exist out of the trade. But if you are following through a mentor, the mentor will tell you that this is just a retracement. Hold on, have patience. The market will eventually retrace back. Like every week, every weekend, we always have interactive section with all my students. I always have interactive section with all my students that we always, try to motivate them. Motivation is what we need here as a trader. Let me tell you something. In Nigeria, in Nigeria market here, everyone goes to work as early as 4 a.m. because of traffic, because of the bad road. They got to work around 8 a.m., sometimes 9 a.m. People leave their office every blessed day around 5 p.m. and they will get to around 11 p.m. They don't like that kind of lifestyle. No, they don't like the lifestyle. But we see 90% of Nigeria engaging in this cycle every blessed day, in this part every blessed day. Why? Because when they go to the bus stop, when they're driving along the road, they see a lot of people that are also doing the same thing that they are doing. So that really motivates them. Like they are following the crowd. They are not the only one they get themselves in that kind of situation. So having that mindset is making them to feel motivated. And they will actually tell themselves that perhaps I'm not the only one that is going through this. That is what the environment has changed us. That is what the environment has transformed us to be. The same thing is also applied as a trader. I've never seen a trader that don't lose money. I do lose money. I do tell my I just lost money now. And they'll feel like, oh, wow. Once the boss can open up and tell us that he lost money. Yeah. So it's a normal thing for us to lose money, but it's a bad thing for you to burn your account. I always key that. Normal thing for you to lose money, bad thing for you to burn your account. Discipline, focus, mastering your strategy is the key to it. So that is why I create a community of Forex traders here in Nigeria. I can eventually add you up to the group after this conversation. It's called Nigeria Forex Gang. Like a lot of traders come together, a lot of professionals come together with newbie. We share our experience there. So that really motivates us. And that has been my passion, my ambition, that we want to transform Nigerian youth to a successful Forex trader that will be making legit money online. You get the point. And that is the dream. That is the vision. And having AMarkets supporting this dream alongside with me, the sky is that starting point. I just need to be sincere with you.
Yes, thank you. This was a really inspiring speech, and for all the traders looking to this video, below the video you'll find the link to register to the seminars of Mr. Abayomi, and registering by the link you will get the unique trading bonus from AMarkets and the unique discount to the training course of Mr. Abayomi. And also, if you are inspired on starting your own IB business, Mr. Abayomi is definitely the one who's going to teach you how to do it, and I'll place the links to Mr. Abayomi's social media so you can just leave a message, and he will have a personal assistance for the ones who would like to start their own IB business as an experience and one of the best IBs on the market working with AMarkets in Nigeria. So thank you, Mr. Abayomi. It was a great pleasure to have you here today. And wish you the best of luck in trading, wish you the best seminars, and wish you the best of development this year. I'm sure together we will conquer the world, and we're only at the very start. Thank you very much for this interview.